Hi there, this side from Travlo. Today we'll be exploring create experiences. So as you can see, our users are creating different experiences based on location and based on their interest. And these experiences are completely AI powered, generated by AI and personalized for you. Right. So let's go into and how we can create one. So the first thing we need to do is to select a destination wherever we are or where we want to plan our experience, and then we can pick the trip type. Let's say family trip, and then we can pick the occasion and the vibe as well. Let's say curiosity, and then we can pick either interest or the place. We can pick any place from that particular destination, or we can pick interest from that particular destination, and then we can choose the number of output that we are looking for, and within seconds you'll get the best results and the best experiences as per your preferences, and you can click on them to explore them, to see the details and look into the places and all sort of things. So we are live on Play Store now. Download that today. Thank you.